Hi, I'm Bill Fideli with Armor Tool. I'm here to talk to you about our new dog table clamping system. This is an exciting new system that features our auto adjust technology, but as I'll show you in the range of tools here, adds a lot of versatility to peg table, dog table clamping. Over here we have our dog brackets. These brackets can be mounted to any existing table or off your workbench and allow you to use the clamps. So we have two sizes. You can mount them to the side or mount them to the top. Here we have our dog clamps. We have an inline clamp and a hold down clamp. And these are pretty exciting. The versatility of the extended peg allowing you to move this out of the table but still take advantage of the auto adjust technology is a really neat feature of this system. And the inline, they both have full 360-degree rotation, so that gives you flexibility as well. And a third component of our system is the fences. We have three fences, a 4-inch, an 8-inch, and a 14-inch. Each fence has two sliding pegs underneath that allow you to adjust to the different holes on the table so you can change the positions. Now you use these fences in conjunction with our clamps, and you can do work on long pieces by clamping those pieces to the fence and securing them that way. So the system offers a lot of versatility. Whether you're using the brackets and clamping from the side of the table or on top of the table to extend your capabilities of your table, you have a lot of things you can do here. So now we'll get into a little more of the details.
This is the new Auto Pro auto adjusting dog peg clamp. And this hold down clamp allows you to clamp anything within the range of the peg from 0 all the way to maximum. The Auto Pro hold down clamp can clamp something as thin as a piece of paper all the way through the range of the jaw quickly and easily with consistent pressure. This drastically reduces your setup times. Two other features of this clamp are 360-degree rotation and fine-tune adjustment of your spindle. You can move in or out, set to where you need, and clamp. This is the new Auto Pro auto-adjusting dog peg clamp, and this is the inline version. You simply drop it into the hole and tighten down with this wheel to prevent any movement. This clamp auto also automatically adjusts to any thickness with consistent pressure.